Hi! So in today's video I'm going to shorten this 14K yellow gold Bismarck bracelet, and also it will get a chemical deep cleaning. So let's get into it. I'm starting off by picking the thinnest saw blade there is because the jump rings are super thin and delicate. I'm taking off 3 of these so-called 8s Bismarck has. And there was a part that was a bit twisted, so I decided to take that part away from the bracelet so it would be shorter. And this is the part I took off, we don't need it anymore. Now when I'm opening the jump ring from the bracelet, I'm searching for the part in the jump ring that is soldered together so it will stay solid and won't break the 8. In this photo you see how the jump rings are connected and they come and go in pairs. And now I'm just connecting the ends together again, and the bracelet is a bit smaller. And then I'm just closing the ring and I'm checking is the bracelet even from the other side because it was a bit twisted earlier. One of the most important things when resizing a bracelet is checking that you have connected it back together the right way so the lock will work and is not upside down. I'm using so-called sun solder in soldering. It's also called repairing solder because it melts so easily. So it's perfect for restorations and repairs. And after this, I left it to acid about maybe 10 minutes and brushed it. But I have to be especially careful with the brushing because it's super delicate and I don't want it to bend or have my fingers cut off. Every time when you're brushing or polishing a chain, you should be like super careful. And because sometimes when you solder, the copper and the silver rises to the surface of the metal, it can look a bit yellow. So we decided to make a chemical cleaning or chemical polishing with fire, hydrogen peroxide and cyanide. And this is super toxic, but it's doable as long as you're careful and absorb the fumes away so you won't inhale them. And it will clean and polish the jewelry very well and the yellow color will disappear. And then I just dropped it to the tumbler for 15 minutes or so, and the outcome is pretty awesome. It has this deep gold color now and the shine is out of this world. So that was all I got today. I was actually pretty happy that I was able to film the process. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week hopefully.